Hello, welcome to another McGraw Hill video. This one's just a real quick video about your dashboard. Once you click on your course, you'll end up on your McGraw Hill dashboard. Over to the left, you have some choices like gradebook. Once you start assigning things, your gradebook will fill up, and you can filter it in different ways. Calendar is a cool option because everything that you assign, shows up on the calendar, but you can use it for more than that. We'll click on calendar and you can hit add event, and it can be just something as easy as test Friday over unit 2, and then it can start whatever date you want, and you can end it on the Friday and hit add. And let's say you go to your roster. Once your students load, over to the right, if you hit the 3 little dots and hit emulate the student, you can go in to see what a student sees. So now I'm in as the student, and you can see that on their dashboard it says test Friday over unit 2. It's not like an assignment or anything that needs to be graded. It's just going to remind them each day that there's a test coming up over unit 2, and then you can see that they have their resources down here, lessons, past work, things like that. I'll exit out of that and go back to the teacher dashboard. Okay, let's say you want to do some other things. I'm going to hit dashboard and get back to the main page. Over to the right, you have search for resources. So you can click in there, and then you can use this filter to help you out. So you can say that you're looking under resource type. You're just looking for an ebook, and you want the Spanish version. So here we go, Spanish Volume 1. So I can actually assign that, and I can assign it for the year if I have any students that need that. I can make it ungraded because it's not something I'm grading. It's just something that I want to pop up on their calendar every single day so that it's always right there in front of them and they don't have to go searching for it. And you can just take that away and just click like 1 or 2 or however many students you want to assign that to, and then click assign. If I go back to roster and use that student and emulate, we'll see how it shows up on the student dashboard. All right, so there it is right there in front of them. And the next day and the next day it will always be there, and they won't have to go looking for it. Get back out. Back to dashboard. Okay, another really cool part of the dashboard is where do you want to go browse your course. Click on that and go, maybe you're in unit 2, unit 2-1. It's a quick way to drill down to which unit you were on that day. And the presentation, you could project that on the screen, but you could also add that to the calendar for whatever day you're going to be doing that lesson. So when the students go to Canvas, click on their link, and their dashboard pops up, that day's presentation is right there. It's not something you don't have to go tell them to hit course, lesson 2-1, and try to find. It could be sitting on their dashboard because you're going to add it to the calendar. Say I'm going to be doing that lesson on Thursday the 8th. So that presentation will be there right on their calendar. Also, any edits that you make, that's what will show up for the students. Over to the left, you have assignments. So see, I assigned that Spanish ebook to the students, so that's going to be on the assignment, and anything else that you assign. It can be filtered by due date over here. And then if I go back to the dashboard, search for resources, maybe resource type, maybe you're looking for a PDF. And then up here it says refine more, and you can say, well, I'm in unit 2, refine more, I'm in 2.2, and I need a PDF in 2.2. So right here it says exit ticket, understand 3-digit numbers, and that would take you to a place where you could download the PDF or print it. Almost everything in this series has more than one way to get to. I mean, the digital or this exit ticket would also live under assessments, which we have another video about. So it's just a little walkthrough of your dashboard and some ideas that you can use the calendar for to help your students get to things, more quickly. If it's just sitting there on their calendar when they open up that day's lesson, then it'd be a lot better than having to instruct them to click, 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 click.